Proven 10 outbound marketing strategies. Expert tips. AnyBiz. Explore outbound marketing's power with actionable tactics and success stories. Learn how direct approaches from targeted ads to personalized emails elevate business. Discover how AnyBiz enhances email marketing. Ready to unlock targeted outreach's potential? Let's boost your business. Outbound strategies deliver impressive results. Direct mail boasts response rates of up to 5.3%, while Google Ads achieve a 3.75% conversion rate for search ads. LinkedIn's sponsored content surpasses benchmarks, emphasizing the effectiveness of targeted social media advertising. These stats highlight the importance of a well-rounded outbound strategy for tangible results. 10 proven outbound marketing strategies. 1. Direct mail marketing. Traditional mail meets modern targeting for effective lead generation. Personalization and creativity make it stand out in the digital world. 2. Cold calling techniques today demand a strategic, personalized touch. Tailor your pitch to match prospects' needs. Pre-research is crucial. Referencing recent events or industry trends can transform a cold call into a warm dialogue, demonstrating genuine interest in solving their problems. 3. Trade shows and industry events are vital for B2B companies, offering direct lead interaction and brand visibility. To boost ROI, prioritize memorable booth experiences like interactive demos, engaging talks, and pre-scheduled meetings to stand out and stay top of mind for attendees. 4. Video ads. Tell compelling stories, not just sales pitches. Connect with your audience's needs, offering solutions. Engage viewers to explore more about your brand. 5. Print ads stay relevant, especially for tangible industries like luxury goods. Maximize impact by blending them into an omni-channel plan. Use QR codes or unique URLs for tracking, smoothly guiding customers to online content or exclusive deals. 6. Social media ads are powerful with precise targeting and retargeting. Master these strategies. Tailor ads by demographics, interests, and behavior. Keep your brand top of mind by retargeting those who've interacted but not converted, driving more conversions. 7. Networking and referrals are pivotal in outbound marketing, turning connections into valuable leads. Add value to your network, focusing on mutual benefits. Design referral programs with incentives for both referrers and referrals to encourage active participation and mutual support. 8. Email marketing success relies on delivering timely, relevant, and compelling messages. Segment your audience and automate communications for maximum impact. Tailored emails based on interests and behaviors, delivered at the right time, enhance both efficiency and effectiveness. 9. Sponsored content is a potent strategy for engaging new markets. Success lies in selecting platforms and content that align with your brand and audience interests. Choose mediums and partners that reflect your brand ethos authentically, ensuring seamless integration with the host platform's content. 10. Outdoor and transit advertising offer high-impact visibility, reaching diverse audiences daily. Success depends on strategic placement and captivating designs that halt passers-by. Choose prime locations frequented by your target demographic and employ creative executions to ensure your message stands out. Harness the power of AnyBiz to revolutionize B2B lead generation and sales. With advanced AI-driven agents, AnyBiz automates personalized outreach across multiple channels, optimizing strategies, and seamlessly integrating with existing CRM systems. From automating scheduling to engaging customers in multiple languages, AnyBiz empowers businesses to scale outreach efforts and gain a competitive edge. Elevate your outbound marketing strategy and drive business growth with AnyBiz today. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.